Hi, it's Paschal here, and in this video I just want to quickly deal with something that I know many people will experience when they're starting their online business. And this, I don't know whether you're starting an online business or whether you're trying to build a consulting business or you're trying to get out of a job or you're looking to just do something on the side, but you're really struggling to make the move. You're really struggling to spend money to initiate the business from rolling. Now, this is one problem I had when I was starting out, and I believe that many people, whether you're doing affiliate marketing or consulting, you will experience this similar challenge. The first, what I call it, is detaching yourself from money. Now, one thing I want you to realize is you're not alone. It's not everybody that is trying to start a business that understands that they need to invest money in their business. I can tell you, like, if you look at most of the videos you see online, they tell you this is learn how to start a business online for free, join my free training course, join my free this, free that. You know what I'm talking about. It's all out there online. What they are trying to basically do is not trying to get you to build a business from whatever they are going to send you. Maybe it's an ebook or a set of training videos or tutorials. That is just to warm your appetite. That's just to win your trust to actually begin training in the business. I know a lot of people will say you can start a business with zero down payments. But in reality, is this zero down payment? You have to put some. If you're putting out zero, no money going into it, you're basically going to invest more of your time. And you have to understand that your time is more valuable than money. You can't get your time back, but you can get your money back if you invest it, if you do it wisely, and if you do it properly. So that's a different subject altogether. But what I want to talk about here is learning how to detach yourself from money. But first of all, you have to understand how you got so attached to money that when someone tries to, that you can't even pay for a training that you know will help you. You see, there's a gap there. There's something that you know that is missing. You really want this training. You really want to start this business, but you can't see yourself paying for that. It's just because you don't see yourself worthy of the person that you really want to achieve, or the goal that you really want to achieve. And the reason why you are so attached to that money, I'll tell you straight away. When you wake up by 5 o'clock in the morning, I don't know what time you wake up, this is just my routine, and you go to work in traffic, spend 30 days working, going to work, come back for 30 days, and you get paid. Why won't you get attached to the money? Obviously, every nickel you want to spend, you will process it, you will think about it, and that's why you're so attached to. That's why when they say bring it and invest in your business, you find it difficult because you know you need to work another 30 days to get it back. So that plays on your consciousness. But in reality, if you're really going to be big, if you're really going to grow, if you're really going to reach your full potential that God has created you to reach, money shouldn't stop you. You have to use the tool he gave you, which is the mind. It's very basic. Your mind, you can imagine the person. They call it visualization of something. You have to visualize and see the person that you're going to be 1 year from now, 5 years from now. How much does that person have in their bank account? Let's say to start the business, maybe they're asking you for 300 or 500 bucks and you're struggling to come up with that. Let's say the person that you want to be 5 years from now, will they be worried if you're so hungry that you're going to achieve that? Would you be worried about this 500 bucks that you're spending 5 years ago, that you spent 5 years ago? You won't. That wouldn't matter to you, because it doesn't matter what you need to go through to get to the person that you want to get to. As long as you can trust and believe in yourself that the training that you're going after, that you're not going to quit, and that you're trusting the training that is going to deliver. Because you have to, again, do your homework and check the trainings and make sure that the people behind the scene will help you like they said they will help you. And you will trust yourself that you would follow the tutorials and training the way it's been laid out. Then when you trust these two things, then you act like the person that you see in your imagination. Guess what? Every day you do this same thing, because this is not something you do once and it disappears. All of a sudden you get to that person. You have to do it every day for the next 1 year to be that person. You have to do it every day for the next 5 years to be that person. But in reality, I'm telling you from my experience, you don't need to wait 5 years to get to that person. You don't need 5 years to get that result. If you do this consistently, within 6 months, you'll be shocked. You'll be shocked. But I have to tell you the truth. It's scary, but that's the part. That's the part. It's scary when you execute these things I'm sharing here, but I have to tell you the truth. It's exciting and scary at the same time, but that's the journey. That's the roadmap. So I want you, as you're starting out and you start experiencing all these things, know you're doing the right thing. Look at this. In the Bible, they say the road that leads to destruction is broad. Many people go down that road. But the one that leads to greatness is crooked and narrow. Very few people go down that path. I want to leave you with this. I just want you to really, really understand that, because if you're attaching yourself to money, you're not going to get there. You're hanging on to something. You're dragging something. You need to let go. You need to let that go. That will accelerate your success. These things are very basic. But I just wish I could explain it a little bit more so that you can understand it. But understand, there is a repetition in the process. You have to do it again and again and again and again until it becomes normal. Because what you're doing, basically, the foundation is you're building self-confidence. Self-confidence, that's the main thing that you're building in order to become that person. What you realize, the person you are now is not confident enough to execute that. So you have to borrow from the vision of the future. My name is Paschal Nwanaji. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.